Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Visual Studio 2022 is open and updated. This avoids mismatches when applying themes. Once done, save your work and temporarily disable or close any UI-heavy extensions that might override settings. Next, navigate directly to Tools, then Options, because that is the control hub for theme selection. You'll be in the right dialog to change color settings and preview options. Make sure to keep the IDE responsive before you proceed. You now pick the actual theme inside Options. Expand Environment and choose General, where the color theme drop-down lives. Select the provided theme and click Apply. Take a moment to inspect the editor, tool windows, and menus for consistency. If you need a custom palette, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and install the color theme editor, then restart Visual Studio to load it. Once installed, use that extension to import or create themes and return to Options to pick your new choice. To finalize, restart Visual Studio so the theme propagates into all components and tool windows. If some UI elements still show the old look, use Tools, Import, and Export settings and choose Reset All Settings to restore a clean baseline, then reapply your theme. If colors remain incorrect, check for extensions, Windows High Contrast, or accessibility settings that override IDE colors. One key troubleshooting tip: disable suspected extensions and restart. Most theme conflicts come from extension overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.